Hello guys, welcome back to Hero Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix notifications not working on iPhone on iOS 14 and how to do this up. So let's get started. So first thing, when you're having trouble on the notifications from Facebook, Instagram as well as WhatsApp, you have to follow the instruction to fix this up. So first thing what you have to do is just have to tap on settings. Now just have to click on notifications. Now from here you just have to tap on the above show previews, just have to tap on there, and keep in mind if you keep this over there, if you made this enable to never, they'll not be getting any kind of notification. So you have to change this one to either to the above to one, whether when unlocked you'll be getting the notifications, or always, means even the phone is unlocked you'll be getting the notifications on the screen. So I'll be making it to always. Okay, so I'm going to make it. So make sure this part is made as we instructed, and this is what you have to do. So this is the first step, and even if it's you tried this and if it's not working, then we have a solution 2. So solution 2 is all about you have to do this. What you have to do is just have to click on settings. Now from here you just have to scroll down a little bit and you have to click on screen time. Now from here you just have to click on content and privacy restrictions. You just have to click over here and you have to turn this off. At the top there is content and privacy restrictions, right? You have to turn this off, because once you turn this off you'll be start getting notifications, and it is means, as the name indicate, it is restricting the content and privacy. So you have to completely turn this off, and this is the second step which I would like to make you notice. And even if after trying this, if it's not working, then we have a solution 3. So solution 3 is all about resetting your iPhone, and to do this just have to tap on settings. Now from here you just have to tap on general over there. Now from here we have to scroll down a little bit and you have to click on reset options at the bottom. Now just tap on reset options, and there is an option called reset all settings. You have to tap on this and give the passcode and do the reset, and most probably it will be completely fixed. And these are what you have to do when you're having trouble on on your iOS, when you're having troubles on fixed notifications not working on your iPhone, on all the latest the phones and iOS 14 after the updates. If you're having trouble, this is what you have to do. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.